And here I am today at 41 Luxor Wood by Chrysala Classics. Now you can already see the classic behind me over here, but I have to yet show you a lot more about this project. So आज के इस वीडियो में I will be talking to you about the project overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet areas and much more. Stay with me. First of all, let me tell you that this project is located in Tathawade and is going to be spread across 4 acres of land parcel which will have 4 towers. अब ये towers कैसे दिखेंगे, क्या होगा exactly, ये मैं आपको अभी बताती हूँ. And over here are the 4 towers which are going to have basement plus ground plus 27 floors of 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Now let's take a closer look at this because here are also a couple of the amenities which are going to be on the rooftop, and here are the podium level amenities. Let's take a closer look at the podium level amenities. Now, of course, there's a basketball court, there's a clubhouse, there are swimming pools, and there is much more. Along with that, I also need to tell you the carpet areas. So the 2 BHKs would be of 765 and 811 square feet, price starting from 80 lakhs onwards. The 3 BHK would be of 981 and 1102 square feet, the price starting from 1 crore 2 lakh onwards. And the 4 BHK would be of 1326 square feet, price starting from 1.5 crore onwards. And here I am at 41 Luxor Wood by Chrysala Classics, and I'm going to show you their sample flat right from inside the 1102 square feet 3 BHK apartment. Let's go and take a look at the flat from inside. Right at the entry, you can see that they have provided you with a video door phone for your safety and security, and along with that there is also a digital door lock right over here which can be operated with your fingerprint, a digital key and also a physical key. Let's now enter the house. The best part about entering the house, it's right at the entrance you get a wall and then is your living area. Let's go and take a look at your living, dining space and the rest of the house. Now this is your grand living and dining space. The dining space is an L-shaped which is pretty close to the kitchen which I'm going to show you. उसके पहले लेकिन balcony देख लें. The balcony is really very sweet. ये है आपका living space which is of approximately 11 by 18 square feet. और ये है आपका balcony जो कि है approximately 8 by 5 square feet का, जिसमें आपको मिल जाएगा एक wooden finished ceiling, wooden finished flooring. It is covered from 3 sides with a toughened glass railing and a stainless trim. Along with that, why am I saying it as a list is because इस balcony में और भी बहुत सारे features हैं, जैसे कि ये आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा एक electronic charging and mug station, so that when you are enjoying your evening coffee, you can of course keep your mug over here and enjoy the evening, and you can also work over here. You can place your laptop and do your works, and there is a lot you can do because there's also a charging station. अब इस sliding door से मैं आपको लेकर जाऊंगी दोबारा inside the house. Right over here next to your living area is the dining space. Now this L-shaped dining space is of approximately 6.5 by 8.5 square feet. और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपका spacious kitchen जो कि है 10.5 by 8.6 square feet का. Now this over here is your kitchen table which also comes with a gas leak detector and also electronic point for your appliances. Along with that you will get this additional work table, and here is your dry balcony. The dry balcony is again of approximately 10.5 by 3.6 square feet. It comes with an additional sink. किचन टेबल पे तो आपको सिंक मिलता ही है, यहाँ पर भी ये सिंक मिल जाएगा. एक बड़ी सी विंडो हो जाएगी जिसमें मस्कीटो नेट मिलेगा और आपके इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट्स फॉर योर वॉशिंग मशीन्स एंड योर dishwashers. If you take a look at the floor, even this is extremely luxuriously made. Wooden finished tiles है यहाँ पे. और जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि इस प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है 41 Luxor Wood. Now luxury has to be defined, and how will it be defined? किचन में आपको मिल जाएगा एक बड़ा सा स्टोर रूम भी ताकि योर किचन stays clutter free. Now this is of approximately 4 by 7.1 square feet which can take care of all your kitchen utilities. Now once we come back from the kitchen towards the common areas, they have not wasted any space. यहाँ पर they have right next to the kitchen, the dining area, they have provided you a wash basin so that your guests can always come and wash their hands right over here. और उसी के बाजू में आपका है common toilet and bath. Now this is the common toilet and bath जो कि है 5 by 7.6 square feet का, which is pretty big. comes with anti-skid flooring, a tile drop for wet and dry areas, and also these wall-to-wall vitrified floor tiles and the CP sanitary fittings. Now this is the first bedroom of the house, which is of 10 by 11.6 square feet, and it comes with my favorite, the bay window. The bay window also comes with half of an attached glass over here and half of a sliding window over here. Now this is one thing that I absolutely love in homes, because this place is your own personal cozy corner. One thing that I liked about this room is that it is a customizable room. So if you notice, they have put up a glass wall right over here, which can be customized. You can keep it open as a study area also, or as a bedroom as well. Now let's take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. So they basically have two master bedrooms, because both of them have attached toilet and bath to it. The first one over here is of 10 by 11.6 square feet and comes with a pretty big window for the perfect ventilation and the amazing lighting. Half of it is sliding, half of it is fixed, and it comes with an attached toilet and wash as well over here. And this one also comes with wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, the CP sanitary fittings, and also anti-skid tiles on the flooring. And right over here is this 14.6 by 10.10, that is approximately 15 by 11 square feet approximately, is the size of this bedroom, which comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. And this one also has wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. The size of this is approximately 4.9 by 7.6 square feet, and it also comes with the CP sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. Now let's take a look at the bedroom once again. A good look at this one. First thing I want you to notice is that the complete house has the smart touch home automation. So all the switches are going to be automated switches. उसके साथ साथ इस बेडरूम में आपको मिलेगी एक छोटी सी विंडो, जो कि स्लाइडिंग विंडो है, हाफ स्लाइडिंग है, हाफ फिक्स्ड है. लेकिन इस छोटी सी विंडो का क्या काम है? इस छोटी सी विंडो का काम है बहुत सारा क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन फ्रॉम दिस बड़ी सी बालकनी. लेट्स कम एंड टेक अ लुक एट दिस 4.6 by 6 स्क्वायर फीट की ये बालकनी, जो कि आती है विद वुडन फिनिश्ड सिरेमिक टाइल्स विद अ वुडन फिनिश्ड सीलिंग एंड इज कवर्ड फ्रॉम 3 साइड्स. एक टफन ग्लास रेलिंग भी दी हुई है, making this house far more beautiful. And I think this is exactly what luxury redefined is, and I think this is the reason why they are calling the project as a luxury world. Well, I have to also tell you कि यहाँ पे आपको बुकिंग कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है. बुकिंग अमाउंट तो 2 लाख रुपए है. काफी सारे आपको बुकिंग अमाउंट के साथ पे करने के साथ ऑफर्स भी मिलेंगे. अब क्या होगा, कैसे करना है, आप हमें कांटेक्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये सब मैं आपको बताती हूँ अभी. And now that you know the carpet areas, I'm sure you want to know about the booking process also. So the booking amount is of rupees 2 lakhs, and if you pay that amount, you will also get many spot payment options and spot offers, discounts and much more. अब ये सारे discounts के लिए और इन सब चीज़ों के लिए exactly क्या करना है, ये बताने के लिए बने रहिए मेरे साथ. I'm just gonna tell you. So now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you need to know a couple more details. I'll tell you all the details. All the details are mentioned right over here below in the link in the caption. उस पे आपको करना है क्लिक, जिससे कि हमारे सेल्स पर्सन करेंगे आपको कॉन्टैक्ट. अब इसके अलावा आपको और क्या क्या मिलेगा? वेल, वंस वी कॉन्टैक्ट यू, आफ्टर दैट आप कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ फिजिकल साइट विजिट्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू हैव लाइक्ड और यू हैव शॉर्टलिस्टेड. और ये विजिट्स करने के लिए आपको मिलेगा एब्सोल्युटली फ्री पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप सर्विस बाय आवर सेल्स पर्सन. नॉट जस्ट दैट मच, वी ऑल्सो कनेक्ट यू डायरेक्टली विद द डेवलपर, जिसकी वजह से हम आपको कोई भी ब्रोकरेज चार्ज नहीं करते हैं. हम आपको सबसे बेस्ट रेट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, और तो और काफी सारे पेमेंट ऑफर्स, स्पॉट बुकिंग ऑफर्स एंड मल्टीपल डिस्काउंट्स आपको मिल जाएंगे सिर्फ यहीं प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड पे. लेकिन इसके लिए आपको एक छोटी सी चीज करनी पड़ेगी, एंड दैट इज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. एंड जल्दी से कैप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर कर लीजिए क्लिक, ताकि आप कोई भी आने वाला वीडियो मिस ना करें और आपको मिल सके सारे के सारे वीडियोस, नॉट जस्ट ऑफ पुणे बट ऑल्सो अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. वी आर प्रेजेंट इन पुणे, मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, कोलकाता, नागपुर and so many other cities in India, and also globally we are present in UAE, Canada, USA, Singapore and multiple other countries. This is your destination if you want to buy your dream home at the best prices in the market. This is Ekta Kapoor. Stay tuned to us. Thank you.